If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To sign out of QuickBooks Online, click the User button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click the Sign Out button in the drop-down menu. Also, note that you can click the Manage Your Intuit Account link in the menu to open a web page that lets you change account settings if needed. Alternatively, to sign out if you have multiple company files linked to your Intuit ID, you can click the Sign Out link in the Please select the company you want to open page that appears when you log in to QuickBooks Online. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.